So here I'm logged into my AWS EC2 instance, and once logged in, you'll be provided with this interface where you need to just write this command yum install tcl. Just ensure that you prefix it with sudo. So we have sudo yum install tcl, and let's press enter now. And this is going to install tcl first, and once that's done, we'll be proceeding with downloading the Redis zip file. So for that we'll be using the wget command, and over here we have provided that command, and you can see that it has been downloaded. Now the version number is 4.0.6, so for that we will be unarchiving it over here, and that's done. Now let's go inside that directory. Now we are inside that directory and make use of the make command. Let's press enter now. Now once everything is installed, you are good to go and launch your Redis server. In order to launch your Redis server, first of all you need to go inside the src directory. So here you'll be doing cd src, and once that's done, all you need to write is redis -server, and this is the command which will start the Redis server. Now in the next lecture we'll see how we can connect to this Redis server from our PHP program.